Nasaan na yung isa? Bakit hindi lumabas yung isa? Diyan sila nakatira dati.
Saan po dyan? Alin pong bahay dyan?
Kasi bago na yan eh.
Ah, ito pong bagong, may gray na gate.
Dati, isang ano lang yan, isang lote. Ngayon
Ah,
yung may-ari, binenta yung kalahati. Tapos pinatayuan. Pero yung may-ari,
I see, I see. Ito nakita-kita sila yung dating ano, kasi sila nakatira dati.
Good morning, nice to see you again. Hi, nice to meet you.
Alam mo, galing ng ano, pagkano binigay nyo dun sa tricycle? Humingi lang siya ng 45 sa akin eh. 100. Pero I mean, napakamura. Okay, let's go. Let's check it out.
We used to live right. But it doesn't look good. It doesn't look like that for sure. We used to have like a compound one side and it's like small houses. Even this one, right?
Seryosa. Uy, sila Mary andito dati nakatira?
Oh, yeah, pero hindi, di ba yun yung garden?
Ginawa lang.
Parang,
Bali,
yeah.
Ito nga, sabi nga, na matagal na sabi niya.
Yan o, okay pa yung tricycle ride?
Sakay sa Mindanao.
Ano, okay ba yung tricycle ride? Ang bilis nung sa amin eh. Ang bilis ng takbo, men. Galing.
Nagkikwentuhan kami ng driver eh. Magkano binayad niya?
45 lang ang hinihingi niya. Binigyan namin 100.
Swerte siya.
Oo.
Yung isa, hinihingi sa akin 30 lang.
Oo.
Bigyan ko ng 60.
Try.
Bigyan siya ng sabi ko 30, bigyan na ng 50. Doon to ayaw, masaya na sila. Okay sila.
yes, sabi ko, papakita ko eh. Yan. Tapos, ayan, bago.
So yeah. Oh, binablock natin itong daan. Hold on, guys. Eh,
Taga QC. Kuya niya yung nakabili niya.
oh, tabi tayo.
Studio type.
Oh, yeah.
Paupahan. Tapos dito yung bahay ng yan. Ay, si mama. Nagtitinda kasi.
But it wasn't like this before. It wasn't like yeah.
Kanila,
It's my first time to see this area.
But I guess
Never
like,
been
the
here.
old house where they used to live in is still standing. It's still like
It's still there? No.
I'm asking.
No. It's gone. It's totally gone. Yeah.
But they rebuilt it.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. That's a mango tree right there. See it? That huge one?
Oh, this one right here.
No.
Oh,
The other one.
at the back.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
That's mango, man.
This is a winter here, right? It's just like it's always.
It's always like this.
warm, yeah.
It's either like summer or like rainy
super
day.
hot.
Right, but it's always like hot.
Yeah.
Dito rin sila? Sa Ilocos sila nag-stay. Your husband? My mother. Then my father. Ha? Nauna ba?
Okay, ito po yung ano lang to para maalala nila yung dati nilang tirahan pero hindi na siya nag-exist. Dito siya pero ngayon ibang itsura na. Yan. Kaya pero natutuwa pa rin sila sa Quezon City po to. Yan. Okay. Thank you.